Yum, yum, yummy to the tummy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasheena. If you are new and just coming across my video, welcome. Consider subscribing. If you like the content so far, do subscribe. Send your family and your friends on over here and have them join my family by subscribing, hitting the bell so they can be notified whenever I do post. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how I'm going on, how you're enjoying these videos so far, and stay tuned for many more videos with me being in the kitchen. Today we're making green banana porridge. Here I am coring my green bananas, and I also have the running water going. So when I core it, like I'm doing now, then I peel off the skin of the bananas under the running water. I learned that this makes it easier to manage, and I get, in a sense, less stain. I mean, you still will have a little, but a little bit less, and it's easier to manage. Here I'm blending my green bananas along with my coconut milk. To the boiling water, I have added a tablespoon of cinnamon powder and a teaspoon of salt, and here I'm mixing it. I am now getting ready to throw my mixture of coconut milk with green banana blend in the pot of salt water and cinnamon powder. There we go. And now we're gonna stir the pot. I continue to stir for a little while. I have added half cup of oats because I wanted my porridge to be a little bit thick, and I wanted the oats mixture in it as well. I'm going to add some more spices. Here I'm adding my rose and almond extract. That's a tablespoon. You can add more based on your taste as you go along. All right, but that's the amount I'm adding to mine. Now I'm also going to be adding vanilla to this as well, and that's also a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Let's mix all that goodness in the pot. Yes, and I'm mixing it for a few seconds here. I've just added the vanilla and the rose water and almond. Guys, I love the rose water and almond. What about you? Let's add our sweetening agents. That's Lasco, half of a pack, and quarter cup of condensed milk, all mixed in this jar. It was about half of a cup in this jar. And here am I mixing it out. Yes, because we want to ensure that it's mixed properly. Now look at that, guys. Who is ready to have breakfast with me? Yes, I'm sharing yours out. Take a seat right at the table. It will be right up. So that's green banana porridge with a little oats. And trust me, you're going to enjoy this. You're definitely going to enjoy this. It's tasting really good and it's looking so yummy. Yes. Are you excited? And there's just no way I was going to leave myself out. So, of course, I have to share myself a dish so we can both sit and have a chat and enjoy this green banana porridge. All right, so here I'm sharing myself a bowl as well. I think it's not too watery, so that's the consistency I was going for, and the oats assisted with that. There you have it. That's both our dishes. Enjoy.